Well, here we have a rare opportunity in the Grand Reserve of Gainsborough Greens, family friendly and awaiting a new owner. Go check it out.
This gorgeous double-storey plantation home offers a flexible floor plan with multiple living spaces and plenty of space for you and the family to grow.
The home has been expertly placed on this 420 square metre block of land, leaving room for the kids to play, trampolines, or even a pool. We can't wait to see you here. Talk then.